My parents really value learning, but they did not get the opportunity to pursue higher education, and so it's really important for me and my siblings to feel fulfilled and not like you are working just to get by. I started figuring out that I liked math in 5th grade. I discovered that a whole can be divided. It allowed me to see the way that we can split things into many parts. School wasn't fulfilling that curiosity and my desire to learn more about how the world works. BEAM is a program that allowed me the opportunity to explore more formal levels of mathematics, and you can work with other students who are just like you, who also want to be challenged. I have quite literally grown up with BEAM. I started in the 7th grade. They serve underrepresented students like me who don't have access to private opportunities outside of school that may be very costly. I'm back here as a TA because I think it is really important to be a support system for younger students. Math can be really intimidating. I want students to feel confident, to be brave. I really see myself as starting my own little domino effect because I have siblings who are also in the program, and it's really amazing to watch them grow as young critical thinkers. I am a first-generation student who's going to college. In my classes, I'm dealing with really complex math, and BEAM has taught me to break down tough problems. They've given me the courage to approach not knowing the answer. BEAM has provided my family with a very strong foundation. Even though my siblings, as they grow older, they will take on their own paths, we are ready to start finding our own voices in our own lives.